God knows, only God knows where does it actually go. But honestly, a lot of climate finance, that what little that we do receive, it goes maybe to repurposation, and I don't know exactly because we are not seeing it on ground in adaptation, and maybe towards disaster management it's going there. But there is a lack of transparency in that regard. So as civil society, we really can't say where it goes. Well, I'm based in Islamabad, and we are not very happy with how things are turning out for us. And it's not just the capacity of Islamabad as a city, and it's also in terms of other cities around us, because of course economic and climate calamities go hand in hand. When climate calamities happen, or when the crisis hits other cities, people do move. This internal migration happens, and it's technically it's climate migration, but we categorize it as economic migration. But that puts a strain on the resources of other cities. For example, in Islamabad, there is a strain on resources. We have great water issues in Islamabad, air pollution. The AQI in Islamabad is really bad. So for Islamabad, I would say yes. I don't know if it's the management of this own city, which that too is a problem, because displaced communities now in Islamabad is also a big issue. But beyond that, the other cities not being able to manage it properly also affects the cities surrounding them. So yeah.
So what's missing? Money, planning, or government will?
I feel like coordination and collaboration is something that can be worked on better between planning, the government, civil society, and a collective effort maybe towards the international climate stakeholder bodies, to tell them that there is only, of course, as a country we can do so much, but there is only so much we can do, and there is a limit to our capacity. And those who are the major contributors, they need to pay their dues, and they need to, like for example, 80% of the green finance is going to countries who are the major contributors, those 10 countries. So it needs to come here, and to countries like Pakistan, who are not contributing as much, but we are suffering the brunt of it. So yeah, I mean, collective effort is something, and not just within the country, but globally, a collective effort.